Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we are going to start Maths lesson number 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles, Standard 7. You all know what is angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. So here we will learn more about angles and the pairs of angles. See here. Write the name of the angle shown alongside. We have to write the name of this angle. What is the name of this angle? How do we read? Angle ABC. What? Angle ABC. So here we will write angle ABC. Next is what? Write the name of its vertex. What is the vertex of this angle? Vertex B. So here we will write vertex B. Write the names of its arms. What is arms? From vertex 2 we will read. What are the arms? BA and BC. What? BA and BC. Write the names of the points marked on its arm. अब इसके आर्म्स पे कौन से पॉइंट्स मार्क्ड है? पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट बी, पॉइंट सी. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? ए, बी एंड सी. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट द इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ एन एंगल. इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर. व्हाट इज इंटीरियर? द पॉइंट्स विच इज inside the angles is called interior, which are not on the arms. यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने आर्म्स के ऊपर के पॉइंट्स देखे, बट जो पॉइंट्स आर्म्स पे नहीं होते, अंदर होते एंगल के, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल. पॉइंट्स आर द इंटीरियर ऑफ द एंगल. हियर विच आर द इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स? पॉइंट एम, पॉइंट एन, पॉइंट ओ, पॉइंट टी. एंड व्हाट इज एक्सटीरियर? See, these are the exterior points which are outside the angle, which are not on the arms and not inside the angle, not in the interior points. See here, these are the exterior of an angle. Point D, point G, point D, point S, point E. Have you understood? See, the group of points in the plane of the angle like point G, point D, point E, which are neither on the arms of the angle nor in its interior form the exterior of the angle. Now what is adjacent angle? Adjacent angle is what? Two angles which have a common vertex. See here, two angles which have a common vertex. Here M is the common vertex of angle BMQ and angle QMD. A common arm and separate interior are said to be adjacent angles. See, here it has written in your textbook. See on page number 25. Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interior are said to be adjacent angles. So now let's start practice set 15. Observe the figure and complete the table for what? Angle AWB. Here is the angle AWB. Points in the interior. Now write down what are the points in the interior. Point what? R and C X. So here you have to write R C N X. Next, points in the exterior. What? T U G V. Sorry, T U Q V Y. G is on the arm. So we will take what? G U Q V Y. Here you have to write T U Q V and Y. Points on the arms of the angles. Point A, W, G, B. What? A, W, G, B. Students, you have to be careful. Whatever you are writing, see what is interior and what is exterior and what are the points on the arms. जो arms पे बने हैं, angles पे बने हैं, that is called on the arms. So you have to be write it that only. Now see the second one. Name the pairs of adjacent angle in the figure below. Adjacent angle which have a common vertex and common arm and separate interior. See. Here you have to write the pairs of adjacent angle. Pairs of adjacent angle. See, common vertex and common arm. If I take A and B. A and B. N is the common vertex and NB is the common arm. So which is the pairs of what? Adjacent angle. इसी का दूसरा pair क्या होगा? NB ही होना चाहिए. A and B. A and B and what? Angle B and C. This is called adjacent angle. See here. Angle A and B and what is the pair of angle A and B? Adjacent pair B and C. This is the first pair. And second pair, if we take B and C, what is the pair of B and C? Adjacent pair B and C. And C is the common what? Arm. That means we will take C and A, or we can take A and C. You can write anything. B and C and A and C, because A and C is the common arm. Then next pair will be A and C. What is the pair of A and C? Here AN is the common arm and N is the common vertex. That means A and B. What? A and C and A and B. Here is completed. Now see in this figure, which is the common adjacent angles. We will take what? PQR. See, PQR. Here PQ is what? Common vertex, common arm, and Q is the common vertex. PQR and adjacent angle of PQR is what? PQT. Understood? PQR and PQT. How will you write? Like this you have to write. Angle A and B and angle B and C. This is the first pair. And next one is what? Angle B and C and angle A and C. Then third, angle A and C and angle A and B. This is the third pair. And the fourth pair, angle PQR and angle PQT is the fourth pair. These are the pairs of adjacent angles. Have you got that? Now next one. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? Here is asking, ये जो pairs दिए हुए ये adjacent angles हैं? If not, state the reason. अगर नहीं है तो हमको reason देना है. See, angle PMQ. Just see here. Angle PMQ. PMQ. And angle RMQ. Is this adjacent pair? PMQ and angle RMQ. Is this adjacent? Yes. This is the adjacent pair. Why? Because MQ is the common arm. इन दोनों में MQ क्या है? Common arm है. So that's why this is adjacent angle. Pair of adjacent angle. See the second one. RMQ. RMQ. This one. RMQ and SMR. SMR. RMQ. SMR. Here is not common arm. That means this is not a pair of adjacent angle. See the third one. RMS and RMT. RMS and RMT. No, here is not a what? common arm. Have you understood? See the next one. Angle SMT. SMT and angle RMS. Here MS is what? SMT, SM, RMS and MS. This is the common arm. So this one and this one is what? Pair of adjacent angle. First one and fourth one. So what reason you will give? First one is the pairs of adjacent. Second and third is not the pairs of adjacent because the interiors are not separate. And the fourth one is what? Pairs of these. The pairs are adjacent. Have you understood? Now next one, complementary angles. What we have to learn? Complementary angle. What is complementary angle? See here it is written. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. It means what? Sum means what? Total. अगर दो एंगल का टोटल 90 डिग्री है तो वो क्या बोला जाता है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. कोई दो एंगल का टोटल प्लस, दैट मीन्स दिस एंड दिस प्लस दिस इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 90. कितना होना चाहिए? वो 90 होना चाहिए. सो वो कौन सा एंगल होता है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल होता है. रिमेंबर इट. इफ द सम ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ टू एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, दे आर नोन एज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. नोट डाउन. सो वन इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? सप्लीमेंट्री. एक होता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री और एक होता है सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. व्हाट इज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल? इफ द सम ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ टू एंगल is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angle. Like complementary angle is what? Sum of the measure of two angle is 90 degree, but in supplementary sum of the measure is 180 degree. Got it? दो एंगल का मेजर कितना होना चाहिए? 180. अगर 180 होगा तो वो सप्लीमेंट्री होगा. इफ द सम ऑफ द टू मेजर एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, so that is known as complementary. So this is supplementary. 180 degree is what? Supplementary. Write it in your notebook, these points. This is the very, very important points. Now practice set 16. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Now we will do this in the notebook. Problem set 16. Question number 1. 40 degree is given and we have to find out the measure of the other angle. What? Complementary angle. One angle is given and what we have to find? We have to find the measure of the complementary angles, and the complementary angles is what? Is 90 degree. So first we will write what? Let the measure of the complementary angle be what? X. Because one is given and other one we have to find out. So let the measure of the complementary angle be X. It means what? 40 degree is given. 40 degree plus X is equals to what? 90 degree. Because complementary angle, the measure of the sum of the measure of the angle is what? Complementary angle is 90 degree. So 40 degree plus X we have measured. Now we have to find this one. So we will remove this 40 and it will be here. It will be change the sign what? It will be in minus. So X is equals to 90 degree minus 40 degree. ये 40 प्लस में है, यहाँ पे आके इसकी साइन क्या हो जाएगी? चेंज हो जाएगी. So 90 minus 40. It means x is equals to what? 50 degree. Therefore, what? The measure of the complementary angle of measure 40 degree is what? 50 degree. जो 40 डिग्री है उसका मेजर हम लोगों का क्या निकला? 50 डिग्री. Have you understood? Write it in your notebook. I think you all have understood. Now I am going to do second one. See, one more question we will do, so it will be clearly understand. See, 60 degree angle. First what we will do? Let the measure, same thing you have to do again. Let the measure of the complementary angle be what? X. Then what we will do? 63 plus x. What? 63 degree plus x is equals to 90 degree. Students, दो एंगल का सम, उसके मेजर का सम 90 डिग्री होता है. That's why I have written this. What? One angle is given 60 degree and other we have assumed. So 63 plus x is equals to 90 degree. Now x is equals to 90 degree. This 63 will be here. It will be minus 63. Then x is equals to, then 10, 8 minus 6, 27 degree. X is equals to what? 27 degree. At the end you have to write the measure of the complementary angle of the measure 63 degree is 27 degree. This you have to write at the end. Write it in your notebook. Now third, fourth and fifth and sixth is your homework. I think you all will do nicely. I am going to do this one. I think it will be difficult or you may be confused in this one. So I am going to do this one, seventh one. Students, first and second I have done. Same thing you have to do in these questions. You have to assume what? Let the measure of the angle, complementary angle be x, and what? 45 plus x is equals to 90. Then subtract it. Same thing you have to do in these questions. Now I am going to do this one, seventh one. Question number 7th, x degree is given. Now same thing what we have to do, let the measure of the complementary angle be, here we will not take x, we will take y. Why? Because x is already given. So we can't take x again. So x degree is given. So we will what? Let the measure of the complementary angle be y. Now what we will do? Sum of the measure of the complementary angle is what? 90. So x degree plus y is equals to 90 degree. Now we have to find this one. So we will write this as it is. Then 90 degree. This x is in plus form. It will be here minus x degree. It means y is equals to 90 minus x degree. Have you understood? At the end you have to write the measure of the complement of the angle of measure x degree is y. What? X degree is 90 minus x. What? 90 minus x degree. You have to write this one. You can write this line also. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure x degree is 90 minus x degree. Now see question number 2. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. These are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measures of each angle. What we have to find? We have to find each angle. This is not an angle measures given. Just it is what given. Y minus 20 and y plus 30 are the measures of the complementary angle. So we will do what? Y minus 20 degree and what? Y plus 30 degree are the measure of the complementary angle. So this is complementary angle. It means इन दोनों का प्लस कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री. सो y minus 20 डिग्री प्लस y plus 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? हम लोग 90 डिग्री जब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल दो एंगल का मेजर बताते हैं तो वो 90 डिग्री. तो यहां पर एक्यूरेट मेजर्स नहीं दिया हुआ है, हमको बाद में फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डू दिस वन. Y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equals to 90 degree. Now open the bracket. Y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equals to 90 degree. Is that clear? Just open the bracket. Now see this y and this y. Y plus y. कितने y है ये? 2y. So we will write 2y minus 20 plus 30. See here, plus 30 minus 20. It means what? Plus minus minus, but bigger number sign is what? Plus. 30 minus 20, 10. That means plus 10 is equals to what? 90 degree. Now 2y, this 10, it will be a minus 10. So 90 minus 10. 2y is equals to 90 minus 10 is what? 80. Then we have to find y. So y is equals to, this 2 is in which form? Multiplication form. It will be here, it will be divide. 80 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Then zeros are 0. It means y is equals to what? 40. Y is equals to 40. And here we have to find out what? Find the measures of each angle. Each angle जो है वो हर एक एंगल हमको फाइंड आउट करने बोला है. So substitute the value of y in this and this one also. Y minus 20 degree is equals to, instead of y, what we will substitute the value of y. 40 minus 20 is equals to, 40 minus 20 is what? 20 degree. Is that clear? Then next is what? Y plus 30 degree. Y is what? Again we will substitute the value of y and what? Plus 30. So 40 plus 30 is what? 70 degree. So at the end what we will write? The measure of the complementary angle, the measures of complementary angle are what? 20 degree and 70 degree respectively. Is that clear to you all? So this practice set have done. Now in the next video we will start practice set 17. I think you all have understood. Complete it in your notebook. Thank you.